Port number and IP address in networking. In computer networking, a port we can say is a communication endpoint through which information flows from a program on your computer or to your computer from the internet or another computer in a network. At the software level, within an operating system point of view, a port is a logical construct that identifies a specific process in the particular device. Port numbers allow your computer to have more than one application accessing the data on a network or the internet at the same time. Each application, or we can say process, is designated a separate port number to use for transferring the data. This process, that is the designation of a separate port number for each of the process in a device, this process, that is this process of addressing, ensures that the receiving computer can know which program to use for the data it receives. Seeing this picture, we can see the device A has process C, D and E where they are designated separate port numbers for each of the process. Coming to the IP address, it is the 32-bit number that uniquely identifies a network interface on a machine. Network interface, we can say, is a point of interconnection between a computer and a network. IP stands for the Internet Protocol. That Internet Protocol, in the sense, you can say it is a set of standards and requirements for creating and transmitting data packets or datagrams across networks. Again, an IP address consists of two components, the network address and the host address. The network address is used to find the subnet in which the computer or a device is located. Subnet in the sense, if a large network is divided into small subnetworks, then each of the subnetwork forms a subnet. We can say this is subnet. And the host address is used to find the computer or the device in that particular subnet. Based on the inputs about the IP address and port number, we can precisely form the difference between the IP address and the port number as such. A IP address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication, where a port number is a numerical value that is assigned to an application in an endpoint of communication. Then coming to the IP address, it is used to identify a particular device in the network. This is used to identify a particular process executing in the device.